The Agoreshwara temple is located in Ikkeri, a small village in the Sagara taluk of Shimoga district of Karnataka. It is just 5 kilometers away from the Sagara town. Ikkeri was the second capital of the Nayaks of Keladi, who ruled the Malnad region of Karnataka from 1499 to 1763 AD. The temple dates to the 16th century AD. The book Keladi Nrupavijaya, the literary source on Keladi Nayaks, states that the ruler Dodda Sankanna Nayaka, after returning from a pilgrimage, installed the Agoreshwara idol at Ikkeri and built a stone temple. The temple faces north and the main entrance is from the northern side. Once you pass the main entrance, you will see a square pavilion with a huge Nandi that faces the Agoreshwara temple. The Nandi idol in this mantapa has a smooth finish, and it is shown to be decorated with a number of ornaments like chains of jingling bells, garlands, and other items. The outer walls of this Nandi Mantapa has relief carvings of drummers, dancers, and other figurines. There are 4 minarets on the 4 corners of the roof of this mantapa, which indicates Indo-Islamic influence in the architecture. Beyond this Nandi Mantapa is the main temple of Agoreshwara. The north entrance, which is the front entrance of this temple, has a flight of 7 steps flanked by 2 huge decorated elephants. There are 2 other entrances to the pillared hall of this temple, one from the west and the other from the east. The outer walls of this temple is highly ornate with 3 layers of carvings. There are carvings of miniature temple towers and pillars, birds, elephants, squatting lions, and Kirtimukha figures. There are nearly 20 jalandhras or perforated windows with ornamental arches interspersed with figure sculptures. These windows allow light to enter the interior of the pillared hall. In the pillared hall of the temple, near the entrance, on the floor, you will notice relief carvings of 3 human figures in prostrating pose. There are Kannada inscriptions identifying one as King Sadashiva Nayaka and the other two as Joyisara Timmanna and Biligiri Anna, who were officials in the Keladi court. In the sanctum, now there is a Shivalinga. The base of this Shivalinga is on a Shakti Pita with 32 female deities or Shaktis carved around the base. There is a small translucent Nandi in front of the Linga. Previously, the sanctum used to have the idol of Agoreshwara, a human depiction of Lord Shiva. Historical records indicate that this Agoreshwara idol had one head with 3 eyes, wearing a chain of skulls in the neck, and having 32 arms, each arm holding various weapons and other items. Agoreshwara was shown standing on the cut head of Kalamunda. This idol is said to have been destroyed by the invading Bijapur Sultanate. The other small shrines inside this temple include 6-faced Shanmukha, Ganapati, Kala Bhairava, and Mahishasura Mardini. The sanctum has a tower or shikara built over it in a mixed architectural style. On the eastern side of the temple, there is a pranala or drain for the Abhisheka water and a small tank for it to collect. There is a carving of Indra riding Airavata below this. On the western side, there is a carving of Varuna seated on Makara. The other shrine inside this complex is on the west for goddess Parvati, also known as Akhilandeshwari Amma.